Hello today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this MUSICOZY sleep headphones. This is a Bluetooth headband, wireless music, sleeping headphones, a sleep mask, earbuds, IPX6 waterproof, for side sleepers, for workout, for running, insomnia, travel, yoga, with a cool tech gadget. And this is unique because it is so cool. It's available in black, blue, dark gray, brown leopard, camouflage blue, gray and black, starry black, red and black, light purple, and of course leopard. You can see a lot of different colors are available on the market. It comes with a Bluetooth transmitter with a Bluetooth option. This headband allows us to listen to our music without having to wear additional headphones. And it protects us from being disturbed by our mess hair and sweat. The stylish headphones are ideal for traveling, for sleeping, for workout, for running, for yoga, for audiobooks, for blah 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 blah. I can tell you so many other options to use that device here. They block out ambient noise without using sleep earbuds that are painful and drop out. This wireless music headband are powered by 40mm composite drivers. The ultra-elastic silicone outer ring produces deep bass and lightweight and is flexible composition. Bio-cellulose dome delivers mids and highs with the enhanced clarity. And this headband is defended by a fully waterproof casing that's based on a submarine structure. We push yourselves or ourselves during a workout without fear of sweat and rain damaging our earphones. We can even rinse the headphones when cleaning. And the built-in powerful rechargeable lithium battery, the wireless headband only needs to be charged for 1 up to 2 hours. The talk time and music playback time can reach 10 hours. Oh yeah, so let's start enjoying the long hours of soothing music and pleasant hand-free phone while exercising. Because you can, of course, pair them by Bluetooth with your smartphone easily. And then you can use it what your smartphone is giving from music and sound to this MUSICOZY headphones. Awesome, easy. Then 2012, the MUSICOZY is the first sleep headphones Bluetooth headband brand collaborated in 2012. And after 10 years of optimization and improvement, the MUSICOZY sleep headphones Bluetooth headband is the most popular on the market. And adhering to the concept of user first, the professional R&D team aims to create more comfortable, safer, and better running headphones. And MUSICOZY brand has been focused on sleep headphones, Bluetooth headbands for many years, helping 10 million plus people enjoying better sleep. And maybe you will be the next, because it's really cool, this system. Immersive sound. The sleep headphones Bluetooth headband comes in workout and of course in lullaby time easily to you. We can sleep the headphone Bluetooth headband easily for music, calling, microphone and wireless. Everything is possible. Long-lasting battery, super comfortable, hands-free and a good quality sound with Bluetooth 5.2 technology. Super soft headband for workouts, stylish headband for running for example, and one size fits most. A super stretchy headband provides a comfortable fit and cozy experience. It fits most sizes and shapes. Simply put it on and the headband will keep our sweat out of our eyes and stay in place without slipping. And fully washable. Of course, you have to remove the technology, the device first, then you can wash it, okay? Washable and hand wash. We just remove the headphones from the Bluetooth headband. We slide the speakers gently to the end of the mask to take the speakers and control panel out of the hole. Thanks to its quick drying design and breathable construction, it will is easy to clean it. And we get an ultra fast and virtually unbreakable connection between musical Bluetooth headband and our mobile device. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptop computers, and more and more and more. The only thing is to do, you go to settings, you go to a Bluetooth connection, then you switch on the sleeping headphones here, and then you pair it easily. Job's done. This is the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband, wireless music sleeping headphones, and it's a sleep mask with built-in earbuds. IPX6 waterproof for side sleepers. Workout, running, in traveling, yoga. It's a good tech gadget and a unique gift. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.